Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to order from Temu without your card or bank card. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do first is add your items to the cart, and then from here proceed to checkout. So I've already got some items in my cart here. So I've got these sneakers. Then from here we want to scroll down and then click onto the checkout. So I want to check out for $6 here Australian. Then a little pop-up will appear. Just click out of the pop-out. So we need to get to the checkout. Then from here, under payment methods, we can see there's card, but we don't want to use card. So we can use a few other ways. So we can use a PayPal to pay for it, Afterpay, ZipPay, PayPal, Google Pay, Klarna, and depending what location, you might have some others here. I'm in Australia, and you might see some of these Australian options might not appear in your region. So yeah, you can choose different ways other than your bank card. So say for example, I want to use PayPal. I'm going to choose a PayPal, then click submit order. Then it's going to go to my PayPal account where I need to go ahead and put in my email, mobile number, and then password to continue checking out with my PayPal account.